Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am Christina, the hostess today, and I would like to thank you all for attending this meeting. Now, please let me introduce the process of today's meeting. The first would be a replay of Creality in the past half year. So that comes to our second part, award session. So, what new products we have in the second half of the year to support you occupied market? You will know the answers directly in the third phase. In the last part, we set up a special lucky drawing, so you could test and feel the products. Now, let's have the head of South America at Kelly to show us the picture of Creality in 2020.
Hello, everyone. I'm the head of South America, Akili. Our company was founded in 2014. Main products are FDM and resin 3D printers. We also have spare parts, accessories, and filaments. Creality has more than 1,500 employees now. About 115 people are working in R&D department. First half year sales exceeded $106 million. Creality has achieved even more in the 3 series, sold more than 1 million units. Now, please, Christina, let the hostess announce the award.
Congratulations! Now, let's invite Ray President Philip to start his prize speech.
Thank you very much to everyone involved so that we can be here today.
First of all, let's take a look at the global 3D industry trends.
Wow, it's touchscreen.
Yes, it's touch screen.
So cool, I love it.
Now, comes to the last part, the lucky draw. Who will be the first lucky one to get our new products? Let's invite Christina to pick up.
Okay, we're going to start now.
Congratulations to number 9, the lucky number. He will get our new product LD002H.
Okay guys, it is all our live show today, and we really hope that you could know more about Creality after this. And you are so welcome to make any concourse appointments with our manager Akili, discussing more about the development in the second half of the year.
We definitely do everything we can to support you growing together with Creality. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Bye-bye.